Guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook post design on different niches. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook post on artwork niche. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can sell this, you can grow your own theme page of artwork, or you can make different offline, you can target offline market, or you can go to google.com and search website related to artworks niche and message them, contact them and ask them about your services, that you can maintain their social media presence or social media or Facebook presence. They will surely hire you. So let's go towards Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can easily learn this software. If you want to know complete about canva.com, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section, and here I upload a complete series on Canva designing course. And after watching the playlist, you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's get towards our topic. I click on create a design. Here I search Facebook post. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, I think. So here I search art. So let's see. So I choose this template. It's look good. So I go to photos and here I search artwork. So I place this image here. After that I change the background color and let's add some element artwork. Yeah, it's look good. So our post is ready. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.